What's up? I'm Riley with XKGLOW, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about our forward-facing LED bulbs. Now, when you think XKGLOW, you may think of our app-controlled accent lighting, but what you may not know is we've been in the LED bulb market since 2012. That is well over a decade of us designing, testing, and implementing new technologies and strategies to improve our LED bulbs. Over the years, we've made breakthroughs in LED technologies to provide an impressive lineup of forward-facing bulbs. But before I get into it, I do want to stress the importance of the legality behind LED bulbs. These bulbs are not legal in the United States as headlights at the time of this recording, so all of the bulbs that I'm about to show you are to be used as a fog light replacement or in strict off-road vehicle applications. Now with that being said, let's get into it. As you can see, I have got a bunch of LED bulbs here in front of me. I've got one from each of our series of bulbs, and I've even got a couple of our competitors. I'm going to start this video by comparing our bulbs to what the competition provides because while they may appear similar at first glance, there are actually some significant differences. One key distinction is in the LED chips themselves. Some bulbs feature a large congested stack of LED chips which can provide a very bright light. However, this design often lacks a controlled beam pattern, posing a safety risk by blinding oncoming traffic. But our LED bulbs were engineered to precisely replicate the filament of a halogen bulb. This design ensures a focused beam pattern, delivering the traditional headlight aesthetic with a significantly increased brightness. Heat management is crucial for LED bulb longevity, as inadequate cooling is the most common cause of LED failure. That is why our bulb design process prioritized the cooling system. We built our bulbs around the system to achieve the extended lifespan you would expect from an LED product. Many LED bulbs are marketed as direct halogen replacements. However, simply fitting into the socket doesn't guarantee optimal performance. While most bulbs have a similar tab design to halogens, they often only allow for one inserted orientation. But the rotation of the bulb within the headlight housing is vital for light performance. To address this, we've designed a collar with a set screw allowing you to rotate the bulb to achieve the best possible light output. We have 5 different sets of bulbs which all increase in brightness as you go up in series: Ignite, Lite, 2-in-1, Elite, and Premier. The Ignite series starts off the list by being both the simplest of upgrades and the cheapest to perform. These are the perfect bulb for someone who wants a direct, easy upgrade to get just a little brighter for those poor road conditions. They were designed to have a compact size featuring an internalized driver to be as close to the replacement halogen bulb as possible. The Lite series is the big brother to the Ignite. Everything about these two bulbs are extremely similar. The fitment remains the same as the Ignite series, but packing more of a punch, going up from 70% to a 100% increase in brightness, giving you double the brightness of the original halogen bulbs. Once we hit that mark, we knew we could go in 2 different directions. Go even brighter, or add in what we do best, smartphone app-controlled accent lighting. So that's exactly what we did. The 2-in-1 Demon Eye RGB bulb gives you all of the features of the Lite series, plus adding in our XK Chrome lighting technology, providing an RGB backlight, as well as a white chip to give you the custom look that you are looking for. Check out this video that showcases these lights and see for yourself the advanced technology used. Now onto the other side of our development where we make our bulbs even brighter, I introduced our Elite series. Remember the Ignite bulbs that did 70% more than halogen? Our Elite series bulbs do more than double that at 150% brightness increase. We're talking about some serious power output, and serious power requires serious upgrades. This is where we integrate our external drivers to allow space for a much larger fan to keep these bulbs cool at all times. And if these still aren't bright enough for you, then our Premier series bulbs are what you are looking for. The term Premier isn't just an example of fancy marketing. These are the top dog in replacement bulbs. They are the brightest bulbs we offer at a staggering 200% difference. That's like having both of your headlights on at once, all compressed into one single bulb. This is possible thanks to our innovative oil cooling technology that supercharges the heat dissipation. As the bulb gets hot, oil is sent through tubes that absorb the heat and internally cool down the bulb. We offer these bulbs in most of the popular sizes, H7, 8, 9, 11, HV3, 9005. Anyways, you know what? Just go to our website and see the rest. But no matter the size, the range of series of bulbs we offer is very intentional. We wanted to bring versatility so you're covered for your specific needs. Whether it's a fog light upgrade to get you through the storm or your guide through the night when off-roading, our bulbs deliver results every single time. Thanks for watching this video on our LED bulbs, and I hope this video has given you some insight on how you can upgrade your visibility in an instant. If you're interested in any of our bulbs, be sure to head on over to XKGLOW.com, choose your bulb, install them, and be sure to let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, drop a like, and if you've enjoyed this video, hit the notification bell and never miss another video. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram to see what we're up to. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.